Welcome to this lesson on trigonometry and geometry. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of angles. We will learn how to classify them into different types based on their measurement. Specifically, we will focus on acute, obtuse, and right angles. First, let's understand what an angle actually is. An angle is formed when two rays, or arms, meet at a common endpoint. This endpoint is known as the vertex. We measure angles in degrees to see how much of a turn exists between the two arms. Let's start with the most famous angle, the right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. It looks like a perfect corner, such as the corner of a square, a book, or a room. In diagrams, it is often marked with a small square symbol. Next, we have the acute angle. An acute angle is any angle that measures less than 90 degrees. It is smaller than a right angle. You can remember this by thinking of it as a cute little angle because it has a narrow opening. Now let's look at the obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. It has a wide opening, bigger than a right angle, but it is not quite a straight line yet. Speaking of straight lines, we have the straight angle. This angle measures exactly 180 degrees. It looks just like a straight line because the two arms are pointing in completely opposite directions. Here is a side-by-side comparison to help you visualize the differences. On the left, the acute angle is closed and sharp. In the middle, the right angle stands straight up. On the right, the obtuse angle leans back and opens wide. Angles are everywhere around us. A slice of pizza usually forms an acute angle. The corner of a picture frame is a right angle. An open laptop or the peak of a house roof can often form an obtuse angle. Can you spot more around you? Let's test your knowledge. Look at these three diagrams. Number 1 is a small, narrow angle. That is an acute angle. Number 2 is wide. That is an obtuse angle. And number 3 makes a perfect corner. That is a right angle. To wrap up, remember these key rules. Acute is less than 90 degrees. Right is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse is between 90 and 180 degrees. And straight is exactly 180 degrees. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.